After using this dryer for 6 months, I want to share my thoughts on it. And honestly, I've been pleasantly surprised by how well this little thing works, but I'm also surprised by a few challenges that came up. First off, let's talk about the size, because that's one of the biggest selling points. This dryer is super compact, so it fits perfectly on a shelf, counter, or even in a closet. If you live in a small apartment, RV, or dorm, this is a total game changer. We used it in our RV, and it was really convenient that we could easily move it closer to the door for ventilation because it is so compact. Now, capacity-wise, it holds about 5.5 pounds of laundry. That's enough for a few shirts, some towels, or baby clothes. It's definitely not meant for large family loads, but it's perfect for everyday small loads or delicates you don't want to throw into a big dryer. One of the nicest features is that it comes with multiple drying modes, and each mode has a different color. You've got high heat for fast drying, sensor dry to prevent over drying, air dry for items that don't need heat, and even an anti-wrinkle setting. The color-coded lights make it easy to tell what settings you're using at a glance. Pro tip, if you're having trouble selecting the time or the mode, make sure the dryer door is completely closed. The one negative I would say is, it doesn't come with a vent hose. That means you will need to buy your own 4-inch dryer vent hose and either hook it up to a window or use an indoor lint trap box. If you don't vent it properly, it can definitely make the room hot and humid, especially after a full cycle, so plan ahead and grab that hose. Other than that, it's surprisingly quiet and easy to use. The stainless steel drum looks nice and feels sturdy, and the lint filter is super easy to clean. So overall, if you're looking for a space-saving efficient dryer that gets the job done without taking up a lot of room, I definitely recommend this one. Just remember that little venting detail and you will be good to go.